Boasy, Boasy, Godfather, man a OG, man a half humble, man a bossy. Fling a rag a rhythm like it's all free. Boasy, house on the coast G. My money so long it doesn't know me. It's looking at my kids like I'm bossy. Bang, 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 hey.
Hey yo, Idris, tell them what they're gonna take the piss. One step you step out, do that turn up in a dish. Body comfortable, I'm physically fit. I'm brown and sweet, just like the chocolate.
Alright, let me turn the radio down this. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. So sorry my tongue is yellow because I was drinking some bag juice. But so Shauna and I are going to go get our ears pierced. This is Shauna's new car, guys. Yeah,
something to get around in.
It looked nice. Look at it from the drive, but it looked nice in the video. Like it looks nice in real life.
It's been a while since I've been in the vlog.
Right? But we're on our way and we're matching. Ooh. We have our different levels of matching, but we're wearing
who match together.
Right? We have our polka dot tops on, our jeans on, and we have both of our red bags. Like,
yeah,
we're too cute. So I'm gonna bring you guys along.
We're like Dion and what's your name from Clueless?
Watch out, girl.
Clear, Chloe.
Dion and
Cher.
Cher, yeah, Dion and Cher. Yep. My edge is kind of look, you know. Oh, I like this song, the the TikTok song. But we're going We're going into Half a Tree. There's this place. Before I tell you guys about the place, I'm gonna experience it first. If we like it, then I'll tell you about it. But they have deals for $1,000. Piercings for all piercings are $1,000, and it's in Half a Tree. So we're heading there now. I want to get right here pierced, and I want to get like my up here re-pierced. So Shauna is still on the fence of what she wants to do.
I might just get this ears re-pierced, or I might get an additional one right here.
Okay.
We'll see.
Yeah. So my hand's getting really tired, and it's like the first 2 minutes of the video. It won't be a long video, probably be, because I'll be recording Shauna's piercing and she'll be recording my piercing. So all in all, and you know, we might record like a little bit of inside the place if it looks good and all these good things. So all in all, the video shouldn't be any more than 10 minutes, and me speaking now is hiking up the time. So I'm gonna see you guys when we get to the location. Bye. Oh, the red light, you can look at them now. Ooh, daddy. All right.
You're listening to the sound of them the pieces of beef. Yeah, that's right. Them pieces of beef.
No quiero que más nadie me hable de amor. Ya me cansé. De esos trucos ya me lo sé. Esos dolores los pasé. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No quiero que más nadie me hable de amor. Ya me cansé. De esos trucos ya me lo sé.
Alright guys, Shani's gonna get her piercing. Tell them where you're doing pierce.
So I'm getting my Tragus. Should I get my... I'm not one to be nervous.
And we have Mr. Poppin himself.
Yeah, there's actually the hole. I don't know if you can see the hole, the little mark. But there's two. I have two up there. You see? You don't see the dark spot?
Yeah.
You see the dark spot? That's exactly where it is. Wow, that was...
See her? Oh, it didn't seem like her.
No. I feel like this one will hurt though, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna see.
Is there any way, like, if something happens,
That's cute. That's cute.
if like you pierce it off and hit, like, is there any nerves or anything?
We're not going to
You're like the guy in class, thinking of the worst possible
right?
thing.
Yeah. I've always wanted this.
Like, I'm excited for you.
No? Like, yeah, it's too little. It looks weird.
My ears. Alright, let me stop. You look good, girl. Because you look. I mean, the worst that can happen if you don't like it, just make it close up.
I'm so disappointed.
What, you wanted
Well,
more
I feel
pain?
like it that could hurt.
Guys, she wanted more pain.
Wow. Not even a teardrop.
You want that teardrop?
Yes, I wanted something.
You have to do those places to get the teardrop.
That's cute, and it's like perfect size.
I should come back and get another tattoo. I haven't gotten a tattoo in like 8 years.
Alright.
Thank you.
That's
your
very
dear-
Got this
Wow.
one here, and we have a little baby one over here. Oh, it's bleeding though.
It's bleeding? It's bleeding a lot?
Bleeding bad.
Oh.
It's okay, it's natural. Maybe
Or just to clear it out? Yeah, it's already pierced. It's just that I have a hard time with it. Yeah.
Guys, Shoshana is about to get her piercing.
Mine is
That was a good piercing, like as in where the position is. I asked him to be kind of equal to the next one. Wait, can I have a needle?
This is going on you.
Right?
Well,
Last time was with a gun. I don't know if it's a gun or what, but I have it's very hard to put anything through it. Okay.
this is going on YouTube, so I hope you don't mind. I won't get you in it if you don't want to.
I'll subscribe to your YouTube channel. You can put me in
You
it.
will?
Like, no, like it literally.
So that means you have to get some piercing and somewhere else.
Oh my god, look at you. When I don't get called to the bar.
No, but like, why you can't get one up here? And then weigh your hair down. My girl is so cute. So which other one you get?
Okay, so that problem is solved. So give me the one up here then.
Yeah.
What are they telling us? What's the unity? I love the Eleanor.
No, I want it down here.
Like
Equal.
Yeah.
Equal. But you can pierce your own face.
Let me come out the artist way. They don't feel anything.
Yeah, it feels like a little, like a hard itch.
Hard
But
to
not
like.
Oh, this is so cute.
It look nice though. Guys, leave a comment down below. Where else should we get pierced on our ears? Huh?
Don't have to be here.
No, because I know my subscribers, some of them going to some things.
Just take a deep breath and then release money.
Or just keep talking and then by the time you're done in the sentence, you have an earring. But yes, take a deep breath. Wow.
This one hurt more.
That one hurt more?
Yeah. Not hurt, but
You felt it more.
the bodies don't flinch.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh. You got the swag, sauce, a trip of swag, too. Ooh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Ooh, you got the swag, sauce, a trip of swag, too. Ooh.
Alright, so Sash, your opinion first. What did you think of getting the piercing, the piercer, and the location?
They're all good. One with the piercer, I thought I needed to re-pierce my ears, and that's what I was just gonna re-pierce this
The
one,
middle one.
the middle one, and he actually put in an earring really well and stuck it in there, and I didn't have to do that. And I know anybody could have probably just charged you more and say, oh, let me pierce it for you same way. He did that.
He
first.
was like, let me try first.
Let me try first, you know, that kind of little thing is really good for his character, And then this one was simple, easy. It wasn't like, it was like a pinch. It wasn't even painful.
Yeah, as you saw from our videos.
And the music in there was popping.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a good vibe. It was popping.
It was popping. The location was nice. Like, we went into that room and it was very clean from what we saw, so we were good on that end. The piercer was really nice. Like Shoshana said, you know, you can tell a lot by a person's character if they try to charge you more for something without trying to see if he can do it first, which he did. And then for me, this one went by so quick. I didn't even know he grabbed the needle and was ready to pierce my ears. And then this one, I was getting real nervous, and I was even gonna change my mind because, like, I don't know, I didn't think it was painful. I wasn't expecting pain, but I was just so nervous about it. But he just did it and it didn't hurt. So make sure you guys check out Poppin in Tree Premier Plaza. We'll leave all the Instagram information down below, and as you saw, the Instagram @name and the number, so make sure you contact him if you want to book a piercing, and it's only $1,000, like for the jewelry and the piercing. All right, and if you want to get the jewelry,
he didn't charge us for the jewelry except for this one where I had the extra piercing thing, but he didn't charge us for the jewelry. That's nice.
I thought, oh yeah, because he
didn't do it separate.
Yeah, the piercing and the jewelry was $1,000. Yeah, that was real nice. All right, we're going into Earthen Elements now, so I'll bring you guys with me for that, and then we're just going to end off the video. Guys, we're in Earthen Elements. We are yeah, toners, masks. I already got some turmeric soap from Tastama, but these masks, these masks are always very, very popular. This one is very popular. I've never seen one in a green case before.
Yeah, this is new packaging.
New packaging. Is there something different about this one? Oh. Okay. Because the container is just green, so I was like, what's different? Yeah. So what are you getting?
I think I might get them. I did this before and I liked
Neem. I've heard a lot about Neem.
And it has
you can
this inside it, plus Neem, plus essential oils.
If you have Neem, like the plant, you can boil it and drink it, and it's really good for you.
I like this one as well. It's good with acne.
Bentonite. Well. Yeah, you can put bentonite clean in here, but obviously this is for your skin.
I might go with
the Neem one. And they have tea tree and vinegar toner, the Jamaican black soap. Black soap. Milk whitening soap. I have some dark spots, so I want to get rid of some. Dark spots. Milk whitening soap. I like the container. I think the container is so cute. But I need to know if it's natural, if it's good for you. It looks real cute. It don't look bad, I don't want to touch too much things. My hand's clean and I know I don't got corona. These are nice. I need to get some natural deodorant. I need to get on that wave. Are these are natural deodorant? These are? Yeah. Let's look at the ingredients. No aluminum, no parabens, no artificial fragrance. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm coming. No animal testing. Mega buy some of them here one day. Just not right now, but I'm gonna get some. But this is Earthen Elements. Aloe butter. I've already got some hair stuff, guys, from Tastama, so make sure. And I know I'm in here. Let me leave. Oh, they have books. There's some books over here. Yeah, there's books here.
I love this
Which album? Oh, let's get back to the house. Let's go. They have some what are these stones called again? Himalayan salt lamps. Yeah, there we go. That's the name I was looking for.
what's the price of it?
It's 2,500. Yeah. All right, guys, we're leaving now. Bye bye. Thank you.
You got
No, maybe it's put. If anything, we cut stone.
yeah.
Guys, they're building up a plaza right here, and it looks so good. I'm eager to see what stores they put inside.
We have some nice new restaurants in there.
Right, some restaurants would be nice. I hope office spaces don't take it up. I hope they give like business, other type of business a chance, you know? A true. Yeah. All right, guys. So this is officially me and Sash ending off the vlog. We're gonna go. I have to go and get my video up by 4 o'clock. I'll be going on live. I'm gonna try to go on live every single Friday from here on out. So depending
a working girl,
right? Depending on when this comes out, if you know a Friday is coming, catch me on live. Make sure you go down in the description box, check out all the information I left down there for you all, and like, comment, and subscribe for more.